Assalamu alaikum friends. How are you? Hope everyone is fine. Welcome to Little Wings channel. Okay, please subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed yet and share with others. Okay, as you know, in our video we give quality content, that's more for sure. Okay, so today's video we will be discussing about how to make the sentence in Arabic. Okay, for example, one word is given, how to frame a sentence in Arabic by using that word. Okay, before few videos I have uploaded similar thing, but that was related to few words, nouns and all. Today I will share how to use the verbs and make the sentence into Arabic. Okay, nouns or verbs, how we can use it in sentence. Okay, so let's go to my laptop screen. I will explain you there. Please subscribe to our channel and have a nice day. Thank you. You can see, so here I have tried to download. Okay, here I will show you how to make the sentence, frame sentence using the following words. Okay, for example, this word is given, these are few words I have taken from that. I'll show you one by one, solve it. For example, Yawm al-Eid, first word they have given in this worksheet is Yawm al-Eid. What is the meaning of Yawm al-Eid? Yawm al-Eid means festival, day of festival. Okay, so how to make that word into sentence, I'll show you. I will write here. Okay, for example, first I will let me convert this into Arabic keyboard. Let me check what is coming. Yes, Arabic is coming. Fine, now we have to start writing. So Yawm al-Eid means day of festival. So what we do, usually what we do on the day of festival, we wear new clothes, right? So that sentence we will use nalbasu malabis jadida. Okay, nalbasu malabisa jadida fi yawm al-Eid. Okay, nalbasu malabisa jadida fi yawm al-Eid. What is the meaning of that? I will tell, don't worry. So nalbasu malabisa jadida fi yawm al-Eid. I am highlighting this one. Okay, I am highlighting this one and the big okay, font also, so you can see this. This is the first sentence. Nalbasu malabisa jadida fi yawm al-Eid. So malabis al-jadida fi yawm al-Eid. We wear new clothes on the day of festival, on the day of Eid. Muslims celebrate Eid, right? So that is special occasion is called. So nalbasu malabisa jadida fi yawm al-Eid. So this is the way of making first sentence. Okay, first sentence I have that. Second one, they have given hadaya. What is the meaning of hadaya? Hadaya means gifts. Hadaya means gift. So how to make for that sentence, gifts, how to use that word into sentence? So what usually we do, we exchange the gifts, right? We exchange the gifts during the festival season. So how to do that, how to say that? Okay, so we say, okay, nabi, or we can say we buy the gifts for our friends. Okay, that also we can say. Okay, so what is that called? So nashtari. Nashtari means we buy. Nashtari al-hadaya. Nashtari al-hadaya. Nashtari al-hadaya fi yawm al-Eid. Nashtari al-hadaya fi yawm al-Eid. What is the meaning of this? We buy the gifts for our friends, for our relatives, or for whoever it is on the occasion, special occasion of the Eid. So please remember that this second sentence I have made here. Nashtari al-hadaya fi yawm al-Eid. We make we buy the gifts on the day of Eid. Third sentence they are asking about yaghsilu. Yaghsilu means washing. So how to make that sentence? So yaghsilu Khalidun, for example, Khalid will say Khalidun wajhahu. Okay, wajhahu fi asaba. Anything you can make. Yaghsilu Khalidun wajhahu fi sabahi. Khalid washes his face in the morning, in the early morning. Khalid washes his face. So we are using the word yaghsilu in the sentence. We are using the word yaghsilu in the sentence. Okay, yaghsilu Khalidun wajhahu fi sabahi. Then fatur is there. Fatur means breakfast. So how to use that breakfast word into this one is nakul. We use nakul. Nakulu al-fatura ناكل الفطور في الساعة. For example, we can keep السابعة. We eat breakfast at 7 o'clock in the morning. So we eat breakfast in the 7 o'clock in the morning. So ناكل الفطور في الساعة السابعة. Okay, في الساعة السابعة. We eat breakfast at the 7 o'clock. So this is the one sentence that you can see. Next is ينظف. ينظف means cleaning. Okay, so ينظف whatever we can say. So ينظف he is cleaning his teeth. ينظف ولد you can say. Okay, ينظف الولد, the boy is cleaning أسنانه. Okay, the boy is cleaning his teeth, brushing his teeth. So how to use this? ينظف الولد أسنانه. Like this you should read the sentence. Next one, sixth one, عيدية. عيدية is the special gift, special money which children get from the elders, okay, on the festival day. So we ناخذ. Okay, ناخذ means we take. ناخذ العيدية من الوالدين you can say. We take the Eid or the Eid money, special gift from the parents on the day of festival. So like that you can say ناخذ العيدية من الوالدين. So يتناول is again coming. يتناول means having or eating. So يتناول you can say is يتناول الفطور. Okay, في الصباح. He is having his breakfast in the morning. Here time I have not mentioned, just I am saying yatanavalu. Yatanavalu means having, eating. Especially this word is used for eating. So remember this. So yatanavalu, you can say this. So next word is hafila. Hafila means bus. How to use the hafila? Hafila is this one. For example, okay, this sentence number is hafila. Hafila means bus. So for example, the child is going to the school by bus. Okay, so يذهب الولد or تذهب البنت إلى المدرسة بالحافلة. Okay, the child is going to the school by bus. The child is going to the school by bus. So يذهب الولد إلى المدرسة بالحافلة. Like this you have to make the sentence. يذهب الولد إلى المدرسة بالحافلة. This is the way of making the sentence, my friends. Easy way. Each sentence I am writing next to the sentence so you can understand easily. Then asadisa, they have given asadisa means time, 6 o'clock. Okay, you can say yastaykizu. The boy yastaykiz. يستيقظ الولد. Okay, في الساعة السادسة صباحا. You know what is the meaning of this? The boy wakes up 6 o'clock early in the morning. The boy wakes up 6 o'clock in the morning. The boy wakes up 6 o'clock in the morning. So this is one sentence you can say. Last one is masa'an, they have given evening. That means yarji'u, the boy is returning from the school in the evening. The boy returns from the school in the evening. Yarji'u al waladu. Okay, al bintu you can say min al madrasati. Yarji'u al waladu min al madrasati masa'an. The boy returns from the school evening. So friends, this is the way how to make the sentence. Hope you like the video. Easy way I have explained how to make the video, how to use the sentence and how to make them in the sentences, how to use them into the sentences. Okay, hope this video you like it. Okay, please subscribe to our channel and have a nice day. Thank you.